Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today, just a quick video on how to rejuvenate nylon brush bristles. Now, I just received this brush from the manufacturer in my latest brush shipment. Now, maybe because of the way they put the brush in the box or during transportation or whatever, the bristles got all messed up. As you can see, they're all bent and flared out on the side. It's not really a huge deal. I mean, it's not going to really affect the cleaning, but for me, I don't like to send a brush out that looks like this to the end customer. So I'm going to show you how to just quickly rejuvenate these bristles to get them to behave properly, because believe it or not, these bristles actually do have a memory, and they do really want to be straight, just like the rest of the bristles here. All we need to do is relax them. Now, another case where you might have bristles that end up like this is if you had bought a brush, used it on your water-fed pole, and you put it in your vehicle, and then you threw some other equipment on top of it you didn't realize, and the bristles got all bent up, or maybe they just get bent up through use. Here's a quick tip on how to rejuvenate these bristles, get them to be nice and straight again. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill a bucket or a sink full of nothing but hot water. So hot that it's too hot to touch with your hands for more than a second or two. Then just take your brush. All you need to do is just push it in there, making sure all the bristles get covered. We're just going to leave that for a few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so let's see how it turned out. Shake off the excess water. As you can see, the bristles do have a memory. They go back. I didn't have to push it back into any kind of shape. They're nice and uniform, nice and straight, and angled as they're supposed to be throughout the brush. So like I said, this is a quick tip for anybody who receives a brush that has the bristles a little bit messed up, or if during the storage of your brush they get all bent and pushed out of shape. Just stick it in some hot water. It might take 5 minutes, might take less, or it might take longer. It might take 1 or 2 applications, but you can certainly rejuvenate your brush.